Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Jeep Wagoneer Series 3 Obsidian in bright white. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row heated seats, tri-pane panoramic sunroof, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7749.